Cape Town, only a high of 16 degrees today, with still a chilly southerly breeze blowing, gusting along the coast, and a slight chance of a few more drops of light rain for parts of the Western Cape. A rainfall map is showing light rain at first for parts of the Western Cape, the front currently resulting in light rain for the southern coastline, into the Eastern Cape the rest of your Tuesday, and then later reaching parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but otherwise a dry day for the rest of South Africa. It's still cold this morning over the central parts of the country, with single-digit temperatures dropping down to -2 this morning in Bloemfontein and only 3 degrees this morning in Johannesburg, 5 in Pretoria, and temperatures also below 10 degrees this morning along the southern coastline as well as the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape as a cold southwesterly wind blows along the southern coastline. It's warming up in the northeastern parts ahead of that cold front in the shade of yellow to orange, temperatures above 20 degrees. A sunny day with a comfortable 23 today in Johannesburg, 25 late in Pretoria, and upper 20s in parts of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the low velds of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. But you can clearly see the much colder weather behind the front over the southwestern parts of the country, and especially single-digit temperatures today in this shade of blue in parts of the western as well as the northern Cape, and a chilly day for George with only a temperature of 14 degrees, and much colder in the Eastern Cape after a hotter day yesterday with only a high of 17 in Port Elizabeth and 18 in East London. On Wednesday, the cloudy, cold and wet weather spreading to KwaZulu-Natal with only 17 degrees in Pietermaritzburg as well as Durban. It's another mostly cloudy, windy and cold day for the Eastern Cape. More light rain with only 15 degrees in Port Elizabeth, remaining cold in Cape Town and George with a temperature of 14. And yet again, a cold and mostly cloudy on Thursday over the southern parts of South Africa, with temperatures in the lower teens, only 10 degrees in Sutherland, 12 in Graaff-Reinet, slightly cooler in Johannesburg, but still sunny and dry with a temperature of 20. Well, that's all from the Weather Centre for now. Back to you in the studio.